Hey guys, I got another wild hack here. This one is going to be for tire chains. I recently went to a 35-inch tire and my original tire chains are for a 32 and a half, which I already extended to fit a 33 and a half inch tire that had a wider tread on it. Fortunately, the 35s I went with, they're technically a 34.6 and they're narrower than even the stock tires. They're 255, 85, 17. And so I'm going to try to get these 33-inch tire chains to fit, doing a little bit of extending here, because if you guys know, a quality set of truck tire chains runs anywhere from like 500 bucks on the low end to well over 1,000 on the high end. And that certainly adds some extra expense to going into a 35-inch tire setup. Granted, this would not work if I was using like a 35 by 12.5 or something big like that. I'd just have to get something beefier anyway. But in this case, this is one of the other advantages of going to a pizza cutter like narrow 35, in addition to some other traction benefits that I like, and gas mileage and all kinds of other things. Again though, this isn't like a replacement for brand new chains. It's just a way, if you only use chains every once in a while, like in my case, only times I've ever had to use tire chains is when I'm stuck in the snow off road and need to get out. So this is kind of like an emergency fix. If you're using tire chains a lot, I would probably just cough up the money and get some new ones. But if you're like me and you only need them every once in a while, this might save you some money. So here you can see this is how we're fitting. I have the back side already attached. I can't quite get the front side, or sorry, the front side's attached. This is the back. I guess I have it backwards. Technically, you'd be running that cam on the front of the tire, but for this demonstration, it doesn't really matter. I've already extended it about 2 inches, as you can see, and it doesn't quite make it. We have a pretty big span between the different tire chains. Now, at slow speed, that probably doesn't matter, but in my case, I'm not even gonna be going fast in these, but it is quite a span. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get another extension piece here, and I have that with permanent Loctite in there. Granted, it's not as strong as the chain itself, but again, these are for emergency situations, how I'm setting this up. I'm gonna extend it one more length, and that should get me far enough. And then I'm gonna also get some chain link material. It won't be the same type with this biter edge on it, but I'm gonna get the same size, roughly, chain to run an extra one there, and then probably run another one here so we have tire chains all the way around. I expect it to cost, I'm guessing, about 50 bucks instead of at least 500, maybe 1,000 or more. Okay, so here's that proposed modification. I already put one more link here to get it long enough on both sides. Got the cam locked, so we know that's the right length. And it was a snug fit, but that's what you want. And then these are approximately the same length as the existing chain links. If you hold it over here, you can see like so. They're roughly 12 inches long. I'm gonna put these 5 lengths apart, just as the rest of the chain links are, and then connect these pieces here with another one of these. So I bought brand name quick links because made in Taiwan beats made in China like 9 times out of 10. And this brand has been around a while, so they have a reputation with hold. I do trust their rating of 880 pounds. These chains were from Lowe's, it's just convenient because they cut them there for you and they're rated to 1,300 pounds. So pretty heavy duty stuff. And I'm gonna put some red Loctite in there. Alternatively, you could weld these, but I think the red Loctite is just fine. And there we have it, guys. That's a 35-inch tire with my DIY modded chains, which saved me, I don't know, I probably would have ended up buying American-made chains, which would have cost about 1,200 bucks for a set of 4. That's what these are. All in all, I spent, I think, about 35 bucks at Lowe's on these 12-inch chain sections, and about $35 on Amazon for those quick links. Lowe's does carry the quick links, but they do cost 3 times as much there. Anyway, I think it'll work fine, and I'll update it once I start using them in the snow. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed how to make a quick DIY affordable upgrade to your tire chains to fit your bigger tires and wheels if you've done that to your vehicle. If you like this video and you like others, check out the other ones on the channel. If you have any suggestions or comments or questions, please put them in comments. And of course, like and share and subscribe if you want to see more. I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks.